primary school students in northeast China's Liaoning province are enjoying a colorful summer vacation thanks to the double reduction policy which was launched last year to alleviate academic stress for school students. In the province's capital city of Shenyang, 71 primary schools are providing daycare services during the summer vacation as a move to support the policy. Various guided extracurricular activities are attracting more and more students, including baking, rock climbing, rowing and indoor skiing. These diversified non-curricular programs not only bring fun and joy to school children, but also ease the pressure on working parents.
跟着特别高兴，可以玩，还可以强身健体，还可以快乐地学习。
可以在运动的过程中发现一些真的对你好的好朋友，而且每次上课都能发现一些特别好玩的事情。
学校的这个托管开了以后，我们家长确实也很放松了，我们的负担也减少了。那孩子呢就会有更多的时间，更多的自由，他来做更多他想做的事情。
It is estimated that around 137,000 students will receive daycare services in Shenyang this summer.